You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn what's intro, how to pronounce this name correctly. Henry is the English pronunciation in French. Henri, this is the name of many French kings, also kings of England. Again, let's hear the pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. Henry, hen, stress on that first syllable. Henry. In French, the pronunciation Henri. Henri. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.